Hey there, welcome back to our Shopify tutorial series. In the previous videos, we have covered the basics of setting up our Shopify store. We understood the theme structure and file structures of Shopify theme. Then we created our custom Shopify section and a custom simple snippet. Today, we are taking things to the next level and we will be creating our own custom Shopify template. We will be creating template for the product, but same is the process for creating template for pages, blogs, etc. So if you are ready to unlock the more design possibilities for your store, let's dive in. Custom templates in your Shopify store allow you to have more control over your design for the specific pages. For example, this product, I can have a different template or a totally different design for this product than this product. So that is our motive for this today's video. So let's jump into the Shopify online store, and then we are using this dev theme. There is a way to create the templates using the code, but I will be showing you the most easiest method. So let's go to the customizer. I think I already have it opened. Yeah, it's open. Let's click here and go to the products. Right now we have only default template for products. Now let's create a template for this. Click here, create a template. Before that, let's go into the code here. Inside the templates folder, here you can see there is only one product template named product.json. So now we will be creating our own templates. So custom template, just name is custom temp, and it will be based on the default theme, default product template. It will have all the data of the default template, and then we can change the data. So we have created these templates. Let's refresh the code, and now you will see there will be a file named product.customtemp.json. so we have two templates right now here, and let's assign this to our products. But what it is, I cannot see my template here. What's the issue? So that's a common issue. So the templates that are shown for the assignment on the product page, on the product's backend, are actually for the live theme, and we have created our in the draft theme. So let's just push this one to live, publish, and then you will see the template will appear. We can actually view this. Let's refresh the page. We can view these products or any product without assigning our new template, but I will show you that is at the end of the video. But for now, I have assigned this product template to this product. Copy the link and paste it here. Also, we are going to copy the link for our other product and paste it here. Currently both have same design. Now we go to the customizer and change the design for our custom template. Let's change this to the, let's change the product from here to the product to which we have assigned the template. So I don't want to show the price for this one. I will go to the price. Let's just delete this one. I don't want to show the variants for this. Let's delete the variant picker. I don't want the quantity selector. Let's remove that. Just add to cart. And buy now, let's hide the buy now button. It's actually at the show dynamic. Let's turn it off. Only add to cart button. I don't want to show the description, so I delete it. I don't want to show the share button. Just this thing. Let's save. Let's refresh. Here you can see I have nothing for this product, but if I go to the other product which has default product template, everything is there. So this is the change. Similarly, we can add different sections here. Let me go to here, delete this, hide this related products and add section contact form. Then we add another section for blog posts and save. You can see these sections are on this template but not on this one. Now let's make this one as our live theme, and I will show you how we can view these templates without assigning it to the product. Let's now refresh the page, products backend, and here you can see default product template is assigned to both of these products now, because our theme is not live now. So let me first make the preview link for this template. Here is a preview link ready for this theme. Let's copy this. I have explained how this link works in our recent videos, so let me just make this link for this product. Now our preview link is ready. So once you have viewed the theme using the theme ID, then you can pass another query named view equals template name. Our template name is custom temp. So let's click, and you can see I have opened this template without assigning it to this product. Similarly, I can preview this template to any product like this one. We have not assigned or did anything for this product, but we can view this template on this product as well. Many developers face this issue that they created the template in the draft theme, but they are unable to assign it to the product. So what they do is they create a template with the same name in the live theme and then assign that template to the product. But I don't think that's a good practice. So just create that in your draft theme, and without assigning that to your product, just use this method of passing this query of view equals template name, and you can view the product without publishing or assigning the template to the product. So that's it for today's video. So in today's video we have created our custom template. We created product templates. Similar way you can create page templates, and you can assign this to the pages. Similarly, you can create the blog templates as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Shopify insights. If you have any questions or specific topics you would like me to cover in the future videos, drop a comment below. In the next tutorial, we will explore Shopify Liquid.